1997 Mazak Quick Turn 20 with a T-Plus control. This machine has a chip conveyor, has an 8-inch chuck, 2-inch bar capacity, tailstock, could use a little paint down there in the bottom from coolant splash. It does have a tool presetter, though it will have to be used manually. It will replace the tool eye sensor, which is not currently working. It's corroded and damaged and will be replaced. 8-inch 3-jaw hydraulic chuck, 8-station turret, tailstock, chip conveyor. Machine serial number is 128808, looks like. Manufactured in June of 1997. Coolant pump. Electrical cabinet. This machine is wired low voltage 208 230, 3-phase 50-60 hertz. Pulled up the hours, and these are the readings. They don't look to be correct. That's not unusual. Showing power on hours of just under 3,000 and auto cut hours of just over 9,000, but this is what they do show. Alright, we're running the spindle here at started off at 500 RPM. I'm going to take it up to 1,000. That's actually a little over 1,100. I'll take it to 3,000. Put it at 3,000. We are not leveled with the machine. We're on 4x4s, so we're going to have a little bit of vibration because it's not secure to the floor. And then we'll take it up to 5,000, which is the top end. 5,000 RPM. Sounds pretty solid. And we'll bring it back down. We'll try to home the machine out first, and then we'll move the X and Z axis. They both sound quite quiet. Go ahead and jog it around a little bit more, Josh. Z axis. Sounds good. X axis in and out. We're going to index the turret here. It's bidirectional. Looks like it's hitting on all locations, no issues there. Move the tailstock here. It's a programmable tailstock. Alright. There, Mayfran. Works fine. Belt works. It's a side exit style.